It's Tuesday, May 30th. And I showed you this. I didn't have the real thing. I showed you this last week or the week before. It's such a great little caplet. And I asked my sweet friend Diane if she would kindly knit it for me, and which she did, and she knit so fast. She finished it over the holiday weekend, and it's just a great piece. This is a linen cotton, vegan cotton blend. It's a self-striper. When I chose this color, this earth tone color, we had 10 balls, and obviously over the weekend, somebody bought it all. So I don't have this color now. I did it because I thought I had plenty of it. But that's all right. I have 6 other colors that are amazing. And if we're desperate for this, I can get it back in. So I have this beautiful pastel. Wouldn't that be pretty for summer over a white dress or a white blouse? Love this one. The purples and the golds. I think I said it looks like a sunset. This is all blues, greens, teals. Just lovely. Some purple. This is kind of like a carnival. I like it. All kinds of colors. These are just all great for summer. Throw it over a t-shirt. This is more primaries. Orange, blue, yellow, green. I just love all these colors. They're amazing. And this is the last one. More like another little sunset of some sort. Beautiful. Orange, aqua. Love it. Fabulous. 6 colors. Anyway, thank you, Diane, for making this adorable little shawl. It's called the Galot in Giardino from Louisa Harding, right? Boy, the phone has been ringing off the hook. Everybody's excited about Ann Weaver, and I'm excited about Ann Weaver. So keep calling, keep signing up. We have 4 classes. Remember, there's 2 on Saturday, 2 on Sunday. They are priced accordingly. $85 for one class, a single class. $150 for 2 classes, which is a price break. $195 for 3, and $255 for all 4. But what that gets you is all the supplies. So that's every supply you need. That's the egg for the darning class, the mending class. That's the 5 colors of yarn for the yipes, stripes, slash, and the braidorama. And then it's 3 different colors for the short row cowl. So that's the bonus of that. Lunch is $12 for each day. If you want lunch, please order it. And we're going to look forward to it. I'm excited. And she's also going to bring her yarns and some samples, and we will have a trunk show in store here for everybody who could not take the class, and everybody who did take the class is welcome, of course, on Sunday afternoon from probably 4 to 6:30. So excitement. Yay. It's about time we had something going on around here, right? All right. The sun honestly came out today. We saw it. We even saw some blue sky for a minute or 2. It was good. All right. I will definitely see you tomorrow.